Welcome to Savinus Maths Plus. Subscribe this channel for more videos on mathematics. Good morning dear students. As you all know, this year CBSE has decided to delete some portions from your 9th standard mathematics syllabus. So let us try to understand the topics, that means theorems and exercises which are removed this year. See, do one thing, you take your NCERT textbook and mark all these portions. See, you must note one thing, that I am only specifying the portions which have been deleted. Okay. See, the first chapter is number system. There contents in pages from 15 to 17 are deleted. And exercise 1.4. Also, definition of nth root of real number. These three portions are deleted this year. See, chapter 2, polynomials. Proof and statement of remainder theorem on page number 39. Statement and proof of factor theorem on page number 40. Identity 8 on page number 48, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to something, and problems based on this identity. That is some part of exercise 2.5. Chapter 3, coordinate geometry. No portion is deleted from this chapter. That means we will have to study the full chapter. Chapter 4, linear equations in two variables. There are examples and problems from real life on ratio and proportion. Chapter 5, introduction to Euclid's geometry. See, this complete chapter is deleted. Do one thing, say goodbye to this chapter. See, chapter 6, lines and angles. See, no deletion from this chapter. That means we will have to study the entire chapter. Then chapter 7, triangles. Theorem 7.1, that is ASA congruence rule on page number 115. That means statement, proof and questions based on Theorem 7.1. That is some questions of exercise 7.1. Also, inequalities in a triangle on pages from 129 to 132 and full exercise 7.4. Chapter 8, quadrilaterals. See, in this chapter also there is no deletion. That means we will have to study the full chapter. Chapter 9, area of parallelogram and triangles. See, this full chapter also is deleted. Say goodbye to this chapter also. Chapter 10, circles. Theorem 10.5 on page 175. And that means statement, proof and problems based on this theorem. Theorem 10.10 on page 181, that is statement, proof and problems based on this theorem. Then exercise 10.5. Chapter 11, construction. Construction 11.6 on page 194. That is question number 4 of exercise 11.2. Chapter 12, Heron's formula. Application of Heron's formula in finding area of quadrilaterals. That is pages from 203 to 207 and exercise 12.2. Chapter 13, surface area and volume. So in this chapter there is no deletion. That means you will have to study the entire chapter. Chapter 14, statistics. Their histogram with varying base length and frequency polygon, that is pages from 251 to 257, and questions 6, 7, 8 and 9 of exercise 14.3. Also measures of central tendency, that is pages from 261 to 268, and exercise 14.4. Chapter 15, probability. In this chapter also there is no deletion. That means you will have to study the full chapter. See, even though several topics have been deleted, do one thing, if possible, just try to study all the portions. Then it will be very helpful for your higher studies. Okay, wish you good luck. Bye.